stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, rock up first class, I'm the pipe. Put it in perspective, bitch, I got everything.
What's up, Flawless Gang? I'm back with a brand new install. So today we're doing something super fun and super different. This color is super bold and I never thought I would do this color hair, but here we are today. So the company is called JVY or JYV. I'm sorry, I get confused which letter comes first, but they are an Amazon hair seller, and y'all, let me show you this wig real quick. So I pre-curled the wig. Look at this pop of green, this skunk stripe. Oh my god, I am so excited to put this on. I never thought in my life that I would wear green hair, but here we are. But I pre-curled it, barrel curled it up, and put it in duck pins. Duck clips. And then here is the actual construction of the wig. It's not much parting space, the 13x4. It does have transparent lace, but the hairline plucks so good on this. It was definitely easy to bleach, definitely easy to pluck. I love that. I'm going to talk more about the wig soon, but going in with my hairline, I use the Easy Edges Coconut Edge Control. When I tell you this is my all-time favorite edge control in the world, I promise and tell you I would never go back to anything else. This slicks the hair back. I'm talking about you have 4C, even coarser hair than that. Let me tell you, this is what you need. Easy edges. I love, first of all, how it's antibacterial. Y'all know how I'm a germaphobe, so that right there in itself already sold me. Like, yeah, I love it. I use this on my clients. When I tell you they hairline be slicked back with that ball cap, it be slicked back. Okay, ain't no glue getting on their hairline. So I love this so much. It really does work amazing. I got it on Amazon, but you guys probably could find it at your beauty supply. My beauty supply just didn't have it, so they had everything else but that. So I just brush it back with the edge brush, and then I just use a blow dryer on hot air, and then I just, make sure it's all smooth back. And I really do love the way that this holds my hair. It's really, really, really good. I love it. It smells really good as well. But back onto the wig, y'all. So this is a 26-inch 13x4 frontal wig. So with 13x4, some of them have more parting space than others, but this one is more like that U shape, so you really get limited space for styles, so that you're really limited down to just a middle part. But y'all see this wig on my head? Like, oh my god, like, first of all, your girl know how to barrel curl down. If y'all would like a tutorial on how to barrel curl, let me know. Y'all see how them curls are sitting? Like, yeah. Yes, absolutely. Them curls look so good. But this hairline also is amazing. Y'all see that I plucked it down. Like, stop playing with me. If y'all need y'all wigs customized, y'all could send them in to me and I will ship them right back to you. I do that all the time. I customize wigs. I actually did someone's wig for their birthday. They were located in New York, and she loved her wig. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. But if you are new here, y'all, I am going in with the Wig Dealer Touch Up Gel. And this is what I use to adhere my wigs. I don't really wear my wigs long, so this is more of like a glueless gel. I love this. It has such a strong hold, though. I normally do 2 layers, so if you did like 3 to 4, this wig really would stay for more than a week. My wigs normally do last for a week without having a touch up, as long as I put enough gel to adhere it. But other than that, I'd be good to go. I really highly recommend y'all get this. This is my all-time favorite gel I use. I do not use anything else to adhere my wigs anymore. So with that being said, y'all, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. I'm going to talk a little bit through the video. Once we start styling, I'm going to show you guys the final results and my review on this wig. So stay tuned, y'all, and keep on watching.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA. I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but
right, y'all know what it means, be putting that band on. So this is going to be the first attempt to melt in the lace before we cut the lace actually, and then we're going to melt again. So this is how the wig is looking after we melted. Y'all see them curls? Oh my God, I love them so much. I love barrel curls. They just eat every single time. When you brush them out, woo chow. I love it. So now we are just cutting the lace and use a zigzag motion. I always love to use razors. Sometimes I use scissors once I use razors just to, clean up at first any excessive lace that I didn't get, because going back in after you use the razor can be very tricky. So I would use the razor first. But if you are new to cutting lace, I would probably go with scissors just until you get comfortable with the razor, just so you don't cut yourself. Because let me tell you, I've cut my forehead so many times, and let me tell you, it's not fun at all, and it takes a minute to heal when it burns if you try to put any spray or anything on your hairline. So just be careful. Going in with my She Is Bomb wax stick. That's my favorite wax stick ever. I get it from the beauty supply store. It's the best I've used besides Luster's. That's my second favorite, but She Is Bomb is definitely my favorite. It's not as oily. It definitely lasts a long time. So I love that. So right now I'm just going to push back the hairline just to make sure that all the hair is in place before I put the band back on and we melt the last time before we drop the curls. So I'm going in now with some Ruby Kisses makeup. This is what's going to give the illusion of, scalp. So with transparent lace, even with me being like caramelish, people be saying I'm light skinned. I really am not. I swear, I just have not been in the sun. I'm caramel brown skin, so just a real light one, sugar cookie. But I need to go in the sun, child. I be in the house. Y'all know I don't be outside. It's not my vibe. Y'all know that. But yeah, I went between 12 and 15 this time because the transparent lace was really transparenting in this. So just make sure you really melt it and tint it right. And going with my handy dandy Fantasia. She's my girl. I love her so much. You can get this from the beauty supply. Y'all all know what Fantasia spritz is. This is probably the best of the best that I use for my lace. I love it. I use it on my clients. It gives scalp every time you put that band on, okay? But let me tell you something, how it's going to get your wig really scalped when you're trying to melt. This is what I've come to realize when I've been doing hair. So you're going to dry your hairline first. Dry your hairline. Do not just put that band on immediately. But instead of the melt band, you're going to take a black strip and you're going to apply it on your hairline super tight like a band. Do not use a melt band because I promise you're going to be mad when the band comes off and it's going to be sticking to your hair. So make sure it is completely dry before you put on the black strip and then put your melt band on top because that really secures the pressure of the melt band to really help that lace melt in. So yes, y'all, use the black strip. That's my key hack. Use the black strip. I tell you, it's just saved me so many times. But now we're just taking down the curls. I sped this up because, y'all, this took me a minute to get all these curls down. Some of them were just getting tangled in the hair. Them duck clips sometimes be giving me struggles sometimes. So I sped this up just to, drop the curls. But I'm going to give you guys my review because we're halfway done. So this wig was bomb. I'm not even going to lie. This wig, y'all are loving this wig on my Instagram right now. I've been literally posting it all weekend. Y'all see them curls? Oh my God, I love this wig so much. This was bomb. The way that this plucked, I love it. It bleached so well. Even though it's transparent, it still gave scalp. Once you tint it right and you make sure you melt it a couple times, double melt. Double melt method definitely works too. If you are, a little darker than me, I would definitely recommend double melting so that you really get that melted effect and it doesn't show any lace. So once you pop that melt band off and that black strip, baby, it's going to give scalp. Okay? Scalp. I love this wig so much. The green was so fun. It was so different. I never thought I would ever try green, but child, I want to try all kind of color hair now. And I've been saying I want to do color. So I'm going blonde next month though, y'all, for my 4-year anniversary for my cosmetic line. So I will be back with blonde, but I will be doing some more color before summer rolls out, even with fall. So brushing these curls out right now with the comb, I take a wide tooth comb and just brush it backwards, and then you push it forward when you're trying to get that effect of the curls that gives kind of like that. I don't know what you call it, but kind of like a curtain bang, something like that. Yeah. But nonetheless, y'all, please go check out this hair company. I love them so much. They are amazing. This wig was so affordable as well. If you're looking for something fun, something different, giving SHEGO, Billie Eilish, go check this wig out. It's super affordable on Amazon. I will have a link below along with all their other information on this wig. Please go check it out, y'all. This is definitely one of my favorite wigs for color I've done in a minute. This was so fun. It's so just bold. I love it. So that is the end of this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other hair colors I should try. Let me know what y'all think I would look good in, because I want to try some more colors. So let me know. We are doing some more content this week, y'all. We will be doing the Y'all Control My Life. So starting next week, make sure y'all follow my Instagram. We will be doing that. So follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here. We are almost at 90K, y'all. Let's get this goal. We are almost at 100K as well. So we need to get this goal, y'all. We are so close. I love y'all so much. And with all that being said, I will catch y'all back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.